ओए ऑन हो गया मैं ऑन हो गया भाई. Hi and welcome to the fifth edition of Daily Fitness and Nutrition TV. This is edition 5. This is episode number 5, and today you must be wondering why we are not in the gym. We're out here. You know, there's this huge water body. There are some trees around. Basically, it's my rest day. And I thought I should talk to you about rest day as well. Well, essentially, rest is as important as any form of exercise and nutrition is. Because to be very frank with you, the fact that you should be knowing is that growth happens only when you're resting. Most of the times, your body is growing while you're sleeping. So, rest is equally important. As long as you're hitting hard in the gym all those 3 or 4 or 5 days, you should at least take 1 day rest, in your regime. Apart from that, I want to talk about the importance of sleep, since we're talking about rest. Most people these days, because of their lifestyle, they tend to ignore sleep. Most people are sleeping like 4 5 at max 6 hours. I would essentially want to point out the fact that essentially each and every person needs at least 7 to 8 hours of sleep. And if you don't sleep, your body mechanism will not function properly the next day. Your metabolism will probably slow down. You might have gastric issues, you might have breathing issues later on in life, because sleeping is the time when body makes up for all the oxygen that it needs. You breathe very heavy when you're sleeping. So essentially, make sure that you're resting once in a week, and make sure that you get at least 6 to 8 hours of sleep daily. Apart from that, we're going to talk about, we'll basically touch 2 topics. One is a question that has come from a friend who wants to know how much protein should we be eating in our diet. And the second one will essentially be my take on a fat loss supplement. Okay, so stay tuned. All right, so we have to now take a question. This question has come from Vishal. Vishal wants to know how much protein should we be taking on a daily basis. Now, your protein requirement essentially is dependent on your daily activity, your fitness goals, and it's dependent on your body weight. It's mostly dependent on your muscle mass. For an average person, you should take probably 1 gram per pound of your body weight, and the range goes as high as 1.4 gram per pound body weight. Now, if you're into working out, if you're into regular exercise, and you want to build mass, then probably you should slowly take your protein intake from 1 gram per pound body weight to 1.4 gram per pound body weight. This way, ideally, any person who's weighing somewhere around 80 kilos should be consuming somewhere around 245 grams of protein per day. This will facilitate, it will help you gain muscle mass. Second, it will even help you burn fat, because like I've told you in my previous video, from which this question has essentially come from, is that protein in your diet helps in burning fat. Alright, so now we're going to talk about one important dietary supplement that everyone should use, and it will help you facilitate fat loss. Fat is stored in the body in 2 forms. One is visceral fat, which is intraorganal fat, and the other form is subcutaneous fat, which is the fat right below the layer of your skin. People generally come to me and they ask, what fat burner should I use, or probably, will this steroid cycle help me lose fat? Essentially, none of these will help you lose any form of visceral fat. To the end of it all, it boils down to what kind of diet, what is your intake, what are you eating. So I've brought these 2 supplements along. Essentially, one is called fish oil, which is for non-vegetarians, and the other one is essentially called flaxseed oil soft gels. Now, both of these soft gels are they are basically omega-3 or 6 and 9 fatty acids. What they do is they have multiple sort of functions. They help bringing down your overall cholesterol levels. Apart from that, what it does is it helps you your liver to metabolize all sorts of wastes and throw them down. Apart from that, it helps you lubricate your joints. It helps in brain function. It helps your skin. It helps your hair. So over and over, this supplement is an essential in everyone's diet. Now, as far as the dosages are concerned, those are specifically your goals and your fitness criteria and everything. So you can ask your fitness trainer or throw me a question about how much fish oil or flaxseed oil soft gels should I consume. Now we've come to the end of this edition as well. What I'd like to end this with is that see, we've come out on a rest day. We are one with nature. There are birds chirping around. There's water. There are these trees. In the middle of June, we are still enjoying outside because we are one with nature. Essentially, what I want to say is that to stay fit, always stay in touch with nature. Get out of those AC cars, your air conditioned offices, and explore nature. Be in touch with it regularly, and you will be all the more fit forever. Like this fly that just came by. I would like to say goodbye. Have a good one, and stay fit and stay strong. See you next week.
It doesn't feel good. That's just to work out in front of a crowd.